Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of switching to night mode in chats on Telegram. If you prefer a darker and more soothing interface, this full guide is perfect for you. Before we begin, make sure you have the official Telegram app installed on your device. If you haven't done so already, head over to the Play Store and search for Telegram in the search bar. Look for the app with a distinctive blue circle containing a white paper airplane. Once you find it, tap on it, then tap Install. Wait for the app to finish downloading, and once it's done, tap on Open to launch it. Now that you have Telegram installed, sign in as you usually would. Enter your phone number and verification code to access your account. Once you're in the app, you're ready to switch to night mode. Here are the simple steps to follow. Step 1. In the top left corner of the Telegram app, you'll notice 3 stacked lines. Tap on these lines to open the main menu. Step 2. Within the main menu, look for the moon icon located next to your username. This is the night mode switch. Tap on the moon icon. Step 3. Congratulations. Telegram will now switch to night mode, providing a darker and more comfortable interface for your chats. Enjoy the new look of your Telegram chats in night mode. You can easily switch back to the default day mode by following the same steps. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative guides. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Welcome back to our channel.